This is the Prosperity Car Show in Overland Park on July 29th, 2023. Casey Wolf normally makes an appearance, and he did not disappoint at all.
Go, Chief! Go! Go, Chief! You ready? Casey Wolf.
Hi, this is owner of a ZR1, and your name?
Steve Carrington.
And Steve, beautiful car, 1990. What caused you to buy a ZR1?
Well, you know, when they first came out, I just fell in love with the exotic nature of the engine and all the hype that was going on. Of course, I couldn't afford one at the time, but I always kept my eye on it, and so when the time came, my wife said, "Hey, you ought to go for it." I said, "Okay." So
what year did you buy this one?
In 2000.
2000, and this is a 1990. So
yeah, I bought it from the original owner.
Oh, very good.
And his wife had given it to him as a birthday gift.
Wow. Yeah, rich wife.
What a woman. Yeah. He wasn't too bad off himself.
Yeah, originally these were going for way over the sticker, which is about 100 grand, because I went and test drove one, and they wouldn't let me test drive it.
Well, I think this is towards the end of 90, and the way he talked, he got a deal on it. I mean, they got it.
Okay.
Came out of dealership over in East St. Louis, I believe.
Okay.
And so it had 260 miles on it when he got it. They drove it across, basically drove it across the state.
How many miles are on it now?
57.
57. Okay. So what have you done with it since you got the car?
Well, we've gone on a lot of trips. I've had it, I used to autocross it quite a bit when I first got it. And we went on several Corvette club trips with other clubs. Went down to Lone Star, Texas a couple times. They have that at the Texas Motor Speedway, which is it's a total blast. That was one of the best club events I've been to. Been out to Colorado. The Rocky Mountain Corvette people put on a real good one.
You work on the car yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, as much as I can.
Yeah.
I haven't run into anything I haven't been able to handle yet, but
that's good.
Nothing major.
No major repairs. That's
no,
good.
I haven't had to dig into cam chains or anything like that. But just small stuff. Coil packs and plenum. And changing the alternator, that sort of thing. Yeah, I mean, most of it's just basic Corvette C4 things anyway.
Okay. Okay.
It's pretty easy.
Very good. Well, the car looks beautiful, and thanks for letting us see it.
Well, yeah, you bet. It's been a great car.
There were a lot of nice cars at the show, so here are 19 examples so you could enjoy them as well.
1, 2, 3. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you let me have this dance, and let's dance. Oh, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stop, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do, but let's dance. Oh, let's Trying to find a new place where the kids are hip. My buddies and me are getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know us and they leave us alone. Get around, round, round, I get around. 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 I get around. Round, round.
'cause tomorrow sometimes never comes. So love me. There's a song to be sung, and the best time is to sing it while we're young.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seem to help, I know. Downtown, let's listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So downtown, things will be great when you're downtown. You'll find a place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Better run, girl. You're much too young, girl. With all the charms of a woman, you kept the secret of your youth. You led me to believe you're old enough to give me love, and now it hurts to know the truth. Whoa, young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Better run, girl. You're much too young, girl.
Hard done is pretty, deep in hurt when they go. I went away just when you need me so. You won't regret, I'll come back begging you. Won't you